Hi, today I have OnePlus 12R and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, go to the Google Chrome and tap on the three dots on the right corner. There, Settings, and now Password Manager. When we press this gear icon, we can turn on and turn off some function, but to manage our password, we have there. Our password to our messenger maybe. We can press there. Now we must enter the look screen to manage it, and there we can copy our email, copy our password, or after we press this icon, our smartphone shows us password which we remember. We can also edit all by edit and add some to our email or add some to passwords or delete. We can also add note. After we change it, we press save. We can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete passwords, and after that our password will be removed. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!